the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Side-by-Side Refrigerator. It comes in 4 different colorways: real stainless, black matte, gentle gold, and black glass. It is available 657 liter, 676 liter, and 700 liter. It features SpaceMax Technology, digital inverter, power cool freeze, and sleek and seamless design. SpaceMax Technology creates extra internal capacity without increasing the external dimensions, so you'll never have to worry about fitting everything in. Digital inverter technology is the most efficient way to save energy. Its power cool and power freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool, or freeze on demand. At the touch of a button, power cool quickly chills food and drinks, while power freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. The sleek and seamless counter depth design will fit perfectly with the dimensions of your existing appliances and create a harmonious kitchen interior. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung all-around cooling refrigerator.